Alright, welcome to another video, and for today's video, we're going to be focusing on watermarks for Word. So first thing we want to do is create a new Word document, or choose the existing one that you already have. We can name this one CIP for Coastal Insurance Planning. We're going to click on the Word document, and we're going to go here to the Design tab. In the Design tab, we can find watermarks, and we can see there's already some pre-watermarks already existing here. However, for today's tutorial, we're going to be focused on creating a custom watermark. So we click on custom watermark and we have three options: no watermark, picture watermark, and text watermark. For the picture watermark, what you can do is select a picture and choose either from a web browser or from your personal files what image you would like to be displayed. However, today we're going to be focusing on text watermark. For the text watermark, we want to choose our language, which is English. Our text, which is going to be property of coastal insurance planning. We're going to leave the font as Calibri. We're going to leave the size on auto. We can also change the font to whatever font you would like. The color we're going to change to blue. We're going to leave it as semi-transparent, and we have the layout as diagonal, but we can also make it horizontal as well. When we hit apply, we see property of coastal insurance planning come up. Let's say we want a darker color than that. We can hit apply, make it more visible. If you want to change the font, let's say we want it to be Centaur, we can hit apply again and it changes it. And so when you're done, we hit close and there's your watermark.